V-Ray GPU Next now supports our extensive VRscan library, consisting of more than 650 photoreal scanned materials. It also includes automatic UV tools such as triplanar mapping to get stunning-looking results with no hassle. To demonstrate, let's start the IPR here and then scrub the timeline to frame 50, or you can also set up your own render camera to work with. Next, open up the Materials settings and select the seat material, and let's substitute it with a V-Ray scanned material. Then, load in a VRscan from the Assets folder. In this case, I'll choose the Fabric Black Pattern file. Now, you'll notice that the scale of the material needs to be adjusted. An easy way to do this is to simply click on the Adjust UV Tiling button and click on any of the objects that the material has been applied on. Try clicking on a part of the object that is facing the camera. Now, if we zoom in and draw a render region here, you can see clearly that the material has been scaled automatically so that the texture is the correct size. Next, let's scroll down to the Advanced tab and check the Edges Displacement option to break up the straight edges of the object. This option is useful when rendering close-ups of materials with bumps. It is also faster than actual displacement and helps to achieve better realism. Now we can zoom out again and turn off the render region. Next, let's select the chair's joint material and switch it to a V-Ray scanned material. This time, load in the plastic yellow gloss VRscan file. As you can probably tell, there are some artifacts appearing in the render here. Let's select the Detect Mapping Issues option and hit Start at the bottom of the report. This will check if there are any issues with the object's UVs. It appears there are a few issues here, which will affect how the scan is being applied on the object. For situations like this, the V-Ray scanned material provides an easy solution. Simply select Use Triplanar Mapping, and it will automatically take care of the UVs and scale for you, so that you don't have to adjust the UV tiling manually. Now that we have the material mapped correctly, we can change the color of a scanned material by using either the filter color or the paint color. The filter color is going to act as an overall tint to the image. For example, it will affect the color of the reflections as well. The paint color changes the diffuse color of the material without losing the material's texture. In this case, let's check paint color and change it to a light shade of blue. It works best when you use a similar value in saturation to the original color, and only alter the hue. Lastly, let's select the third material for the rest of the chair's body. This time, let's load in the aluminum black galvanized brush scan material, and once again, select the Adjust UV Tiling option and select the chair's body. If we zoom in and draw a render region, you can see once more that with a simple click, the material has been automatically scaled to the right size. Now that you've seen how to apply these scans, you can use the VRscans provided in the Asset folder of this lesson to experiment with different material combinations to suit your preference.